look to the skies. Fraser, a name on the rise. With the winds of change and a heart so bold, he set out for tales to be told. Steve Clark called, said fly to the USA. Captain, your country, it's time to play. He took off in his drone flying west, waving at Lewis's heart at rest. Over the Atlantic the waves did crash, headwinds howling but he made a dash. Stormy skies couldn't break his will, through the clouds he soared, a fighter still. Landed in Iceland for a break he found, recharged his spirit on healing ground. Oh, Fraser, captain of the skies, flying high where the eagle flies. From the Blue Lagoon to Halifax Bay, with Thelma's laughter lighting his way, onward he traveled over the sea. Dreams of glory, a team to lead. Past Portland's charming into Boston's heart, a captain's journey, a brand new start. But oh no, the agents came, a canceled visa, afraid the game. Only Trump can set you free, they said with a laugh, it's just policy. They took him to the White House door, but Fraser stood strong, he wanted more. You're a son of Lewis, Trump did declare. Join your team, son, I'll see you there. Oh, Fraser, captain of the skies, flying high where the eagle flies. From the Blue Lagoon to Halifax Bay, with Thelma's laughter lighting his way, onward he traveled over the sea. Dreams of glory, a team to lead.